What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going shopping for some skincare, just overall self-care, maintenance, like nail care products, face care products, oral hygiene, all that good stuff. And I'm bringing you guys along, and afterwards I'm going to do a haul just to show you kind of the things that I got that I'm either restocking up on or I'm trying for the first time. So let's go. Our first stop is the dollar store, I believe. We're gonna see what the dollar store have, and then we're gonna work our way up in price range till we get to Target. Right now I'm rocking the bare-faced look just because I will be trying some skincare products, and I want to see like some tinted skincare products. So I want to see what matches my complexion, and I feel like the best way to do that is not have any type of makeup on your skin whatsoever. I do have a little bit of sunscreen on and the setting spray by e.l.f. just to give it a little more hydration. And for outfit, I just have my red bag, this Biggie Smalls t-shirt, and then this pleated gray skirt. I might be going to a baseball game later, so I want my hair to stay like sleeked for that, and gonna pop on a pair of shades, and that's gonna be my outfit to shop. I might throw on some Converse instead of my Crocs just to like give this outfit a little more structure. But let's go, you guys. Bye. I wasn't even recording. So I'm at the Dollar Tree. I'm looking for tongue scrapers, and someone just complimented me on my outfit. Thank you, Goo. Thank you, Goo. See, you see how I'm socially awkward. I wanted to say thank you, girl, and I should have told her her hair was beautiful, but I'm awkward and I obviously can't even form comprehensive sentences because yeah, I just be struggling socially struggling. I feel like that's why I can't give you guys the type of energy that I want to give you guys. Actually, I'm gonna take that back. I'm gonna stop talking down on myself. But thank you to that girl. That was the serotonin boost that I needed for today. And of course, they don't have any tongue scrapers here. Like, what the heck? Is tongue scrapers a hot commodity? Okay. I don't see anything else I might need from here. That was the only thing. To Target we go. To Target we go. I'm back. I'm back from the store, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I know this setup is so different. I don't know if you guys saw my last video, but I recently moved back in with my grandparents, so this is the setup. But okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I got in my haul. So starting with my nail care, I got this cute little bag. I got the instant cuticle remover by Sally Hansen. It helps like get rid of all the gunk and cuticles. I got this nail buffer. I got the OPI in the iconic color Funny Bunny. I also got the OPI color Bubble Bath. This is one of my favorites. And then I got a manicure set that just comes with nail files, those cuticle pushers, this like cuticle clipper, nail clippers, and then I got the 3-in-1 OPI start to finish treatment. That way I can just do my own manicures and pedicures at home rather than spend $41 for a pedicure and $30+ for a manicure. That's saving me, I think this all total out to $34, so I just saved myself, let's see, what's 41 plus 30 minus 34. I just saved myself $37. Moving on to, sorry, I came a little closer just so you guys can see the products a little bit better. I got for skincare, I got the e.l.f. primer grip. I'm not a primer person, but I'm trying to do the no clean makeup look, the no makeup look, and I've been watching a lot of videos and they say primer is the key to making your base just more clean, more flawless. And I really want to improve on my makeup just because I like what I have right now. If you've seen any of my recent videos, my makeup is nice. Like, I like the way it looks. I just feel like it doesn't last as long, and I feel like my makeup is disappearing halfway through the day. And I hope that the primer will just hold on to the product a little bit longer, because I feel like because I'm just putting it straight on my skin with moisturizer, it's probably like wiping away. And then just for a more flawless base, I did go with the It Cosmetics CC Cream Nude Glow. It comes with an SPF 40, and this is in the color Deep Honey. Yep, this is in the color Deep Honey. I got this to match my concealer that's really close to my skin tone. I'm NARS Radiant. I use the concealer NARS Creamy Radiant in the color Deep Zero Chocolate, because I know it used to be like, I don't know what they changed. I think it used to be called Deep Zero, but now they changed it to Chocolate Zero. So yeah, but it's the number 0. The number stayed the same. It's still 0 regardless. And then I also got for my skincare, I got some oats. I'm gonna start trying the exfoliating face mask, the oats and honey. That is in the color, you guys see, I'm like working off of autopilot. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Let me focus back in. Okay, just to improve my skincare as well, to go along with skincare, I am gonna start trying this viral face mask that I've been seeing on TikTok. I did it yesterday and it actually was really nice. It's the oats and honey face mask. Yesterday I used regular honey just to try it out and see like how it felt on my skin, but today I went and bought the Manuka honey, which is supposed to be better than just regular honey. It's supposed to have more antibiotics and help with more acne and hormonal acne. I think it will, because even when I went to Whole Foods, I got this one from Joel Osco, but when I went to Whole Foods I saw one and it also said like that this was like a doctor type of honey. Like, I don't know if that was just a brand name, like a cool brand name, but I have high hopes that it'll just be like a gentle exfoliator to my skin, because I do have sensitive skin, so I try not to add too many products to my skincare routine. Like, I try to add things in slowly or just use one consistently until I know like how my skin is reacting to it. But I think because it is food that my skin should take to it well. And then just for oral care, I did a refill on my electric toothbrush heads. I got the anti-plaque. This is a Target brand, but you could get the like regular brand. I have the Sonicare Philips, and I really like an electric toothbrush. I was using manual toothbrushes for a while, but I just don't feel like my teeth are getting as clean as they do when I do an electric toothbrush, because the Philips Sonicare, what's great about it is that it times it and then it buzzes like 4 different times, and I use that as an indicator when to change like sections of my teeth. So I'll do the front, I'll do the bottom, and then I'll do the back upper molars, and then I'll do the bottom molars. And my dentist recommended last time I was at the dentist, last time I was at the dentist, they were just like, electric toothbrushes are more beneficial for people who like don't floss as much, and I'm not a flosser, and that's why my gums like are really sensitive. So I know I should floss, and I highly recommend people to floss, but it's just not one of those things that I'm consistent with enough. So having an electric toothbrush, I feel like is way better than having a manual, because at least I know I'm brushing my teeth for the recommended time, and I'm getting all of the areas that I need to get. I also got this tongue cleaner just because I know like tongue cleaning is something that's been mentioned more recently, I feel like, in like self-care. When I was watching YouTubes back in the day, like 2013, people didn't really mention tongue cleaning as much, but I feel like that's just one of those extra steps that you can have in your oral hygiene, along with like brushing your teeth and mouthwash, of course, and flossing. That'll help kind of make you feel fresh. And that is all I have for my haul. This is all the things that I bought. I hope that you guys will try some of them. If you try anything, I highly recommend that you try electric toothbrush. Go and get you one, any brand, any option, but I love the one that I have, the Philips Sonicare one. And this, I know the head refills can be kind of pricey, but they do give you 3 when you first buy one, so that's really good. And then of course, after those 3 are gone, if you want to get like the off-brand ones, they're cheaper. Like they're significantly cheaper than getting the company branded ones, but they fit. Like they'll tell you that they still fit to the brand that you have. So yeah, this is all I have, you guys, and I hope that you guys come back for my next video. Don't forget, before you leave, smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and make sure you leave a comment telling me what your favorite skincare products are, because I would love to know if you're into those type of skincare things and you have some products that you would like to recommend to people down below. I would love for you guys to share them and make this more of like a community post. But until then, until next video, I hope you guys have an amazing day. I love you, my lovelies, and I'll see you next video. Peace. And any other video, this is actually my face after my haul, so you're more than likely gonna see the haul before you see the vlog, but this is the skin and makeup after my haul. I know, I can't take it right now. Like, it's just giving. Like, let me pose for my thumbnail. That's the thumbnail.